welcome to Lavinia's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a nice simple dessert called orange velvet. And it's one of those ones that I found 101 ways with a jelly. So what do we need? We need an orange jelly. And the first thing we want to do is we're going to cut the orange jelly up and put it into a measuring jug. I like to use a pair of scissors, nice and quick and easy to use, nice and easy to cut it up. Oops. Shake that and roll. There we go. And to that I am going to add 2 tablespoons of cold water. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to pop it in the microwave to melt the jelly. Okay, jelly has been melted. You can see it's bubbling away quite nicely there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add in 20 grams of cocoa powder. And mix that so that the cocoa powder dissolves into the chocolate. Or the chocolate powder dissolves into the jelly, I should say. Don't want any lumps, I want it all mixed through. Let's work it in. Okay. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm actually going to set it aside just for a minute or two to let it cool down a little bit before I do the next bit with it. So I'm going to leave that sitting at the side there. And what we need next is a bowl. And to that we are going to add in 150 millilitres of double cream. Just put all that in. And to that we're going to add in the same amount of creme fraiche, 150 millilitres of creme fraiche. Now I've got a 300 one here, so I just need half of this. If you don't want creme fraiche, you can use a carton of natural yogurt. You can use some sour cream. It's up to yourself. I like the creme fraiche. I think it gives it a nice creamy taste. Oh, I should have said the jelly, 2 minutes in the microwave. Okay. And what I'm going to do with this is with my electric mixer, I'm simply going to mix the two together. Oops, helps if you switch it on. Just give it a quick mix. Doesn't take long, folks, so you end up with that. Right, what we're going to do next is we have 250 millilitres of milk, any kind of milk, full cream milk, semi-skimmed, whatever you like. And what I'm going to do next is, and this is the fun bit, we're going to add our chocolate and jelly mix. No, we're going to add the milk to the chocolate and jelly mix. I always get that the wrong way around. Give that a stir. Then this chocolate, jelly, milk mix is going to be added into our cream and creme fraiche, which is in the bowl. And what I like to do next is just get it mixed together, and again I'm just putting a slow speed on with the electric mixer because it will splash. Just mix it all together. Okay, alright, just make sure it is mixed and there's no bits of cream left. Next to be mixed with my bowl scraper. Okay, now that's our mixture ready. Okay, it's nice and easy. Right, what you're going to do with this is you can put it all into one big dish and let it sit. However, what I like to do is I like to make little individual ones. So I've got my trusty ladle and I'm simply going to ladle the mixture carefully into 6 wee dishes. Some of the cream's mixed in a wee bit better. And then what you have to do with this is you simply let it set. And once it's set, we'll show you what you can do with it after that. here's the orange velvet. It's been left in the fridge, and I think if you look at it, you can see it has actually set. It's not running anywhere anymore. So no, I'm not going to do it. Okay, so you could eat it like that, but let's see if we can make it a wee bit more interesting. First of all, I don't have any double cream, but you could whip up some double cream and pipe some swirls on it. This here is just some chocolate that I've chopped up, so I could just put some of that on top of it, make it even more chocolatey. This bit here is an orange, which I've segmented, and it's quite nice just to put some segments onto this. Try and make it look tasteful, like that. Or if you like, you can always take the orange segments, break them up a wee bit, just put them on top. Doesn't have to be plastic. And what I've got here is I've got my mulli grater with chocolate in it, and just grate a little bit of chocolate on top. I'm sure you've got lots and lots of good ideas of your own of what you could do for decorating. So there's only one thing left to do. Oh, I think we'll try this one. Oh, yum. Yes, I'd love to let you try it, as usual, but I'm afraid you're just going to have to try it for yourselves. And guess what I'm having for pudding tonight? Bye for now.